Wanna know how to change your Telegram password? In this video, I will show you how to easily update your Telegram password, helping you protect your personal data. Watch until the end, there's a helpful tip waiting for you. So let's get started. First, open Telegram and afterwards access the settings of the app. So the way to access the settings on your device might vary depending on which device you're using. But anyways, when you have accessed the settings, go to the privacy and security right there and tap on the two-step verification. Here, enter your password. Click this arrow to continue and tap Change Password. Enter a new password, click arrow right there and re-enter your new password. And again, arrow to confirm. And also create a hint for the new password. You can also set up and change the recovery email, but anyways, after completing all of these steps, your new password will be successfully set. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will motivate me to create even more useful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.